Cheesy red hot burritos. Hi, Purple. We have purple power in the house. Mmm. Look at the beans. Hi, Day Day. I'm eating these delicious bean burritos from Walmart. Let me know if you know about them. They're like 50 cents or something like that. Hi, guys. Tiffany, what's up? Yippee says, what are bean burritos? They're burritos filled with... Thank you, Jay Welly. He said that ish looks good. It's heck. Please hit the subscribe button. It's a tortilla filled with different types of beans. It's delicious. No, you're good. You're good, Jay Willie. When you like and subscribe, guys, please comment. I like. And I subscribe. It really is delicious. Mmm. Can we get 5 more subscribers, foodies? I missed you too, Jamori. Jamwa. Hi, IDIR. I'm thinking about you and the phone on me, but it kind of look nice too. What do you mean, Amoya? Mmm. Where am I from? I'm out here in Miami, Florida. Mm-mm. I'm gonna pop this one. You're from Arkansas? That sounds fun. Arkansas sounds really fun. Ugh. We are about to eat another one. We have to eat another one. It's delicious. Hey, Sophie. Is it Sophia or Sapia? Is it Sophia or Sapia? Please let me know. How old is you? Oh, I is 27 years old. How old is you? Hi, diarrhea. Is it diarrhea? Is it diarrhea? Is that how you say it, diarrhea? What's up, Brielle, an average YouTuber? Am I African? I'm African American. What's up, Leia? We are eating delicious food. We are waiting on our burrito, and then we are gonna throw it down our throat. Hey guys, let's get 10 subscribers. Let's get 10 subscribers. Let's get this burrito. What does hot sauce for? Mason, what does that mean? You subscribed? Oh my goodness, you are so pretty. Thank you so much. How are you? Talia's world is the most beautiful chick in the planet. Honestly, she really is. We love you here, Talia's world. Cheers to Talia's world. Different water. I don't. Oh no. Oh my goodness. No. I know, 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 I know. What's the hot sauce one? I like to put hot sauce on, but I want to make sure that the burrito, I want to make sure that the burrito is delicioso. Delicioso, food delicious. I want to make sure the burrito is delicious and that it doesn't need it. Mm. This bean burrito. I should have got 50 of these. These are delicious. This is my first time ever trying it. This is Tina's Walmart brand burrito here in the Americas of the United States. Now I'm gonna want to eat some pizza rolls. This just got me on a roll. We're getting fat tonight. Let's get fat today. Thank you for 26,000 views. Thank you for, oh, whoops. Sorry. This chat stopped scrolling. Hi, I do remember you. Welcome back. I do remember you as well. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Can you say Abdul? Do you remember me from earlier? Of course, Bella. Welcome back. What's up, Destiny? Welcome back to the show. I do. Hey, Chloe. I do. Please hit that like button, foodies. It's so hot. Brittany, I'm amazing. Welcome, Sasha. What's up, Brazzy? Thank you for hitting that like button, foodies. Oh no, oh no. I'm telling you guys, this is as good as it looks. Mmm. Wow. I can't believe that just happened to me. You are probably the nastiest YouTuber I've ever seen. Have you ever watched Nikocado Avocado? But actually, thank you so much. King Wyatt's in the house. You know what to do, King Wyatt. King Wyatt, we just got 26,000 of you in our last live. Thank you for 26K. Thank you, foodies. Can we get 5 more likes in this live, foodies? I do remember you, Destiny. I do remember you, Destiny's Child. Hi, Slay. Yes, yes, yes. Slay we have. We've slain. I've been at your last live. Yes, Dad Lewis. Yes, we had 26,000 of y'all in there. You're the best live in the world. Oh, thank you, my darling. You. Oh. Our next mukbang will be live in 5 minutes. Our next mukbang, we will be eating this delicious